Mastering Maritime Maintenance. Understanding Maintain the Yacht. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not just about luxury but also about responsibility. Maintain the yacht. This phrase offers a rich context for learning English, especially if you're interested in maritime culture or the nuances of verb phrases. Let's explore what it means to maintain a yacht and why it's an interesting topic for English language learners. Maintain the yacht involves two key components: maintain and the yacht. To maintain something means to keep it in good condition through regular checkups, repairs, and upkeep. A yacht, on the other hand, is a large boat or ship, often used for leisure or racing. So, when we put these words together, the phrase refers to the ongoing care and preservation of a luxury vessel to ensure it remains in excellent working order. Maintaining a yacht is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures the safety of everyone on board. Regular maintenance checks prevent accidents and malfunctions at sea. Secondly, it preserves the value of the yacht. Yachts are significant investments, and proper upkeep is necessary to maintain their worth. Lastly, it enhances the enjoyment of the vessel. A well-maintained yacht offers a more pleasant and reliable experience for its users. The process of maintaining a yacht involves various tasks, including cleaning, inspecting, repairing, and updating the equipment. This can cover everything from the engine and sails to the living quarters and safety gear. Maintenance tasks can vary greatly, depending on the size of the yacht, its age, and how frequently it's used. In discussing yacht maintenance, we encounter specific vocabulary and expressions related to boating and repairs. Terms like hull, the main body of the ship, deck, the top surface of the ship where people stand, and keel, the bottommost structure of the ship, extending along the centerline, are essential. Phrases like dry dock, taking the yacht out of the water for maintenance, and barnacle removal, cleaning the underside of the yacht, are also common. I hope this exploration of the phrase, maintain the yacht, enriches your understanding of English, especially in the context of maritime maintenance. Remember, learning a language opens up new worlds and perspectives, and today's journey is just one example. Keep sailing through your language learning journey, and may your efforts lead you to calm seas and favorable winds. Until next time, take care and happy learning.